In this section, we will walk through how to evaluate a commercial domestic hot water system before installing the Auto Hot controller. Identify the type of the domestic hot water system. In this case, it's a tank water heater. Identify the hot water line and make sure there is hot water in the line, which indicates the water heater is in normal operation. At the same time, make sure that the line is not corroded or damaged. Identify the cold water line. If there is a display, look at the display to see that it is indicating normal operation. Next, inspect the return line and identify all of the main components in the lines. We see that there is a hose bib, isolation valve, pump. We follow the line. There is another isolation valve, there is another hose bib. So the pump is plugged into the outlet. And now we can determine too that we can set up the controller somewhere on this wall so we can plug it in here and connect our sensor to the cold and hot water and return line and also connect to our ignition if we are going to install a boiler controller. So we can go ahead and install the controller in this system.